Hey guys, Hook Tiki here. I wanted to show you a little demo of a repair you can make on your arm. Could save yourself a trip to the prosthetist. So I have what's called the Espire Pro. It's a powered elbow by Phil Hauser. And what happened to me is on my back, my battery cover here, this part that comes off very easily. So it's dropped many times like it just did now, and it covers the battery behind it. So what happened is on this battery cover, one of the little tabs has broken off. I've had this happen in the past, I've repaired it in the past, and then this is a new one, and now it is broken. You can see it's pretty banged up. You set your forearm down a lot, and this thing has a potential to break pretty easily. So today I'm going to show you how to repair that without having to go to the prosthetist or order another one, and maybe it can get you through for a few more months. So here we go. Okay, here's what we're going to use. This is called Polytech Bond. Or it's just called Tech Bond, and this is it's called Poly Prep and Polytech. It's for permanently gluing plastics together, and it's better than super glue. It actually changes the molecular bond between two plastics and fuses them together. So what you're going to need is, I used just a simple spoon. I cut the very tip of it off. It matches up my tip on my plastic cover here, and so I'm going to do is push this plastic cover in so it holds it. I only have one hand, so it helps a lot. And then this piece here, I'm going to do is line it up and just kind of have it rest right on top. And so that's going to simulate the piece I'm holding here. I'm going to push this down a little more. I'm going to cover it too so it holds it. Clay's awesome if you do crafts or anything, as a helping hand type of thing. I use it for a lot of my tiki carving and stuff like that, just to hold the parts down on the bench. So let me make sure we're lined up here and you can see this okay. Here, I'm going to show a little closer. So there's the part, just everything's holding together with the clay. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down here. So it has a prep, and then has the actual glue, which is blue in color, and the third thing is an activator. So what we're going to do is take a quick spray of the prep. Kind of covers the whole area. Don't worry about it, doesn't stain or anything like that. And now I'm going to take the bond, give it a little shake. Take the bond, and I'm just going to put it right between the two surfaces. It's a little thick, so it should fill in any of those little holes or gaps between the two surfaces, and it'll make like kind of a permanent fixture, and it won't stick to the clay. So if you get it on the clay, don't worry about it. It'll plop right off, and then we just chip that off later. So last thing we do is the activator. Give that a little shake, give it a little squirt, and it's going to bubble up nice and hard there. Give one more squirt. Okay, and I'm going to give that about a minute to hold. Okay, I'm back. It's been about a minute, nice and hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel this away. And the clay comes off with it. So I'm just going to clean that up with a razor knife a little bit. Get it nice and square. So here we go. Here is the final product. I did some cleanup on it. You can see I shortened it up, just took it down with a razor blade a little bit. Anyway, so I got it on there. The white stuff is just residual. It's from the spray, so it did discolor this a little bit, but I just take a black Sharpie to it and it kind of fixes that problem. No issues. So here is the device going back into the socket. Yay, both sides fit. Nice and clamped down, nice and easy. And it should come off. I got a nice good support when I'm taking it off, so it won't just fall on me every time. So hopefully that'll help you guys out. Again, you can find this stuff called Polytech, or Tech Bond rather. It's on the internet only. It's about, I think about 20 bucks for a kit. I've had that for about 3 years now. Just pop it in the refrigerator, it'll last you forever. So thanks a lot for joining me. Hopefully I could save you a trip to the prosthetist, or maybe help you out with a similar type of repair. All right, take care.
Hook Tiki Prosthetics.